47-foot motor lifeboat. The 47-foot MLB is the standard lifeboat of the United States Coast Guard. The 47 MLB is the successor to the 44 MLB. At Station Chatham, where the new 47-foot boat would draw too much to get over the bar, the 42-foot near-shore lifeboat was designed to replace the 44 MLB. The 47 MLB is designed to weather hurricane-force winds and heavy seas, capable of surviving winds up to 60 knots 110 km/h, breaking surf up to 6 m 20 ft and impacts up to 3 Gs. If the boat should capsize, it self-rights in less than 10 seconds, with all equipment fully functional. The boat's hull and superstructure are constructed entirely from 5,456 marine-grade aluminum. Designed with a hard-chined deep V-planing hull, the 47 MLB exceeds its hull speed. The frame is composed of 17 vertical bulkhead frames, each of which is welded to the deck and hull, and 5 of which are watertight. Employing fly-by-wire control systems, the boat can be operated from 4 different locations, 2 from the enclosed bridge, and 2 amidships from an open bridge. Situated less than 1 ft 30 cm above the water line are recessed retrieval wells, allowing for easier recovery of persons and jetsam, and easier boardings. A watertight survivor's compartment is equipped for comprehensive first aid. It is situated at the combined center of rotation of the ship.